everyone, Becki-licious here. It's time for some yummy home-cooked shepherd's pie. Oh, didn't this turn out nice? Our first step for our yummy and amazing shepherd's pie is we're going to brown up our ground lamb. So we're going to get this in here. I've already got a little bit of oil in here as well. And then we're going to just kind of salt this up with a little bit of salt and pepper, okay? All right, we've got the ground lamb all cooked up. Now we're going to add in some onion and the carrots and the garlic. I'm doing a smaller recipe. Usually shepherd's pie, you make a very large portion of it, but obviously I'm just cooking for two, so I'm just making a little bit smaller portion. All right, now we're gonna add in a couple of seasoning. We've got our thyme and our rosemary. And that's it. We're going to get this all stirred up and we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes until those vegetables get a little tender. This yummy mixture has been cooking up for about 10 minutes or so. And we're going to add our next two ingredients, which is my Worcestershire sauce and my tomato paste. And don't forget the Becki-licious tip for your tomato paste, because I always have to buy a whole big can and I only need a tablespoon. So I portion it out and I freeze it. So this one just came out of the freezer, so there you go. Easy peasy. And then I'm not wasting an entire can for just one dish. See? Gotta love it. It's smelling so good right now. All right, so our next step is, and you can do either or, you can add red chicken stock. So we're gonna add this and get it all mixed up until the liquid starts to evaporate, and then we'll get to our next step. All right, well, the yummy filling of our shepherd's pie is still cooking over on the stovetop. We're going to get our mashed potatoes done. So these obviously were cooked up alongside the filling. So they're all done. So we're going to mash these all up. It's going to be so good. All right, our potatoes are mashed. Now we're going to fold in all of our ingredients. I've got a couple of egg yolks that are going to go in there. I've got some butter, of course, because you got to have butter. We got some sour cream. And last but not least, we got some Parmesan cheese. So we're going to get this all folded up together. Our mashed potatoes are all done up and ready. This yummy filling is ready to go, and we're going to get it spooned into our dish. And like I said, remember, I'm doing just a small little dish for two, so no big casserole dish. All right, our yummy shepherd's pie filling is all in our pan. We've got our oven turned on to 425, and now we are going to take the mashed potatoes and very carefully put them all over the top. Time to put our amazing shepherd's pie into the oven. Oven's on 425 degrees and it's going to go in for about 25 minutes or so because we want those potatoes to get that nice brown yummy crust on it. Our shepherd's pie has been in the oven about half an hour and OMG, look at that. Looks amazing. So you know what that means. It's time to plate up. Okay, dinner is served. And doesn't this look to die for? Oh, yum, yum, yum for sure. But before I give it a try, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. All right, let's try this out. See how I did. Oh, does that look good? Oh, that's yummy. Oh, talk about comfort food. That is definitely comfort food. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen today. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.